Welcome to the channel. Today, we will explore how to customize shortcuts in the Maxthon browser on your mobile device. This tutorial will help you manage your browsing experience more efficiently. You will learn how to add, remove. First, open the Maxthon browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down and select the Shortcuts option to manage your browser shortcuts. Here, you can see a list of available shortcuts including New Tab, Search, Bookmarks, and other tools. To remove a shortcut, simply tap the Remove option next to it. To add a shortcut, tap the Add button and select the desired function from the list. This allows you to prioritize the tools you use the most for faster access. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.